Hi, my name is Ritu Shah, and this is my assignment for the reflection for discussion. After watching Professor's video, the main thing that really stood out to me was how simple concepts can often carry the biggest impact, especially when they are applied with intent. So the commentary reminded me that technology or innovation is not does not always mean something brand new or high tech. It's about rethinking how we use what is already in our hands. And in physical therapy, this really resonates with me because I have seen so many tools and devices that are marketed as game changers, but at the end of the day, if the tool is not integrated meaningfully into the patient's treatment, or if the patient doesn't understand the why behind the tool, it becomes just another passing trend and it usually fades away. So, the message I took from this video was that progress happens when we align purpose with practice, and not when we just add gadgets, more and more gadgets to the process. It also made me reflect on how we as clinicians interact with our patients. Are we teaching them how to truly own their tools and techniques, or are we just giving them something to do? Are we just telling them, hey, do 20 reps of this and put the ball in between your legs and squeeze and but or are we really teaching them the technique of how to do it and how to integrate it into their, treatment? Because the most effective technologies or interventions are the ones that empower the person and that they bring a sense of well-being and improvement and helping them feel more in control of the body, their healing and their consistency. Another part that hit home for me from the reflection video was that simplicity does not mean lack of depth, because a well applied simple method can sometimes bring more results than an over engineered system. And it reminded me that sometimes being innovative isn't about chasing what's new, it's about um, you know making what we already have more efficient, more meaningful, and more accessible. So for me, the takeaway was this: so technology and methods only matter when they serve the purpose, they serve the person, and they serve the process. The real upgrade is not in the device, it's in how we think, in how we teach, and how we connect it to real human behavior. So, in a nutshell, it's not about smarter technology, it's about smarter connections. The connections we make between the people, purpose, and the movement.